Hi Huneybees, how have you been? I have something new to share with you today. It's not really makeup related, it's hair related. If you always have problem building up volume for hair buns like this, I have a little trick to show it to you. So continue watching. So the little thing that I want to show it to you is this. It's called the Invisibobble. It's actually hair rings, you can see. That's like telephone wires. I think you guys have seen these around. These are actually a bit more different. It's from Germany. A bit more expensive than what you see in the market out there. But you will know, oops, I'm going to show you why you need these ones instead of the cheaper ones. Anyway, so I was given these three designs. This is the original one. And then this is the slim one. It's a little stretch because I've been using it. And this is the nano one. It's really cute and small. So I'm going to show you how to use them. And they actually have one more which is called the power. And it's actually supposed to give you a strong grip. Basically all these are available in different colors. I will list them below on my blog. So they cost a little bit more, about from the range of $7.90 till $9.90, and the power one is $10.90. So you're gonna ask me that are the cheaper ones out there, so why not use the cheaper ones? I can show you why. Basically, you know, I'm like you as well. Why not get a cheaper one where you can get this special deal, right? I got this one out there which is called four for about $3. And as you can see, this one is really super twisted already. I'm not using this one, but I've been using this one from that package. And this is a slim one that Invisibobble has. So you can see they're almost similar, but if you were to look closely, the chrome is definitely much different. That is like, okay, let me focus. That is like, can you see there's like glitter beads inside? Oh, focus, focus, focus. Can you see the glitter is really different compared to this one? This is just, you know, a silver piece inside the coil, whereas this one you can see there is like glitter chunks inside. So anyway, I did a comparison with these two. I've been using them to tie hair, but one big difference I can find out about these two is already, you can see here, this is how they join. Okay, let me put this down. This is how they join the coil together. You see it's like glued together. Focus. You see, they kind of glue two ends together. So they coil, and then they glue these two ends together, which is a bit of weird, because I know, like, if you were to pull too tight one day, it might just snap into another long coil. But what is different about the Invisibobble one is that it's one whole coil. You can't even find the connection part. And what's good is that this one, after stretching, I can show you this is how it looks like at first. This is the original size, and this is after stretching. And as you can see, as I stretch further, it just keeps going straighter and straighter and bigger and bigger. See? It doesn't coil back like the Invisibobble one. So you see this one, no matter how I stretch, it kind of goes back. It does stretch a little, but it still goes back to a nicer, tighter grip, where this one, you just become very loose already. So anyway, this is just a comparison. And then I am loving hair ring compared to rubber bands. This is what I always used last time to tie my hair. And as you can see, my hair is really thick and fluffy. And when I tie my hair sometimes, of course once I pull it off, you know, like when you do this and then you tend to like, you want to pull your hair off this way, right? Like when you tie like that. And then sometimes when you want to pull it off, it gets such a tight grip. Can you see it's already pulling my hair off? See? But whereas the ring, right, if I were just to do this and pull, see, it glides and it slides off without pulling any of my hair off. So that's already like advantageous for me already. And anyway, with hair rings, I can build volume. I can have easily hair buns anytime. I don't need to like, what do you call it? I don't need to backcomb my hair to get that volume and then to do the bun. And then at the end of the day, my hair is even drier and all tangled up, right? This is one alternative which I love using these days, and all I do is just remove the rubber bands and my hair is still as free as it is, and I don't need to keep combing my hair in case they get tangled up in the rubber band and stuff like that. So let me show you how I get that hair bun done. So first things first, combing the hair. What I'll do is, so once you get this high ponytail, use a comb. Normally when you tie this high with the rubber band, by midday you'll be having a headache for pulling your hair this tight, right? But actually with the hair ring you don't, and your hair is safely nicely bunned up. So now it's still my hand holding the ponytail. I grab the slim chrome one. Once you got the ponytail, all you do is with your second finger here, you twist very lightly. You don't need to coil it really tight, and then just do this, coil around the rubber band. And then while holding the end, I pick up the original one and cap it over the end. Give it one more turn just for tightness, and then you kind of tuck your hair underneath the rubber band. Oops. And then you kind of tuck your hair around the hair ring. And then of course hairspray a little if you want, but I kind of like this untidiness. So you can hairspray a little and then you can get like nice hair buns, and that's how I get volume for my hair. And it is super easy to release the hair bun. You don't have to worry about your hair getting tangled up. All you do, you see, no hair. And you see with this even tied 4 times around my hair, I can just easily slide it out. And no hair. No hair is caught in the coils. So, and your hair is still nice. And so that's how I get a hair bun. And for me, sometimes I do like letting down my hair, but fringe does get in the way. So this is when the nano one comes into play. All you do is, I can loosely get my fringe out of the way. I can get my work done, or I can go about my day. It's a bit loose. You can try tying it twice, but I like it this way because then it doesn't really grab onto my hair too tight also. Or you can actually use it at the end of your plaits. So instead of the tiny rubber band ones that will snap once you tie, I normally have to use like 2 or 3 of them to tie together so that they don't snap towards the end of the day. But now I'm using the nano one. So all you do is Another one. Twice. Let me tie it properly. Once and twice. You can get it in your natural hair color, so that it kind of hide amongst your natural hair color. So this is how I'll go about my day. I'm fine with like a little bit of a bob here, but what I like is that you see at the end of the day, all you do is just poof and no hair gets stuck. And then you can release your hair. Ta-da! So you can see I actually don't even have any hair oil on. My hair is really dry, but none of my hair is getting tied and gets pulled out with the hair tie. So to check out the blog link below, I will show you more pictures, close up and stuff like that. And if you are interested to know where to get them, they are available in BHG stores in Singapore, except the Seletar Mall one, and selected Sasa stores as well. Or you can go to this website. You can always beat me up to ask for more details, and I'll see you soon.